Understanding memory usage in programs.
Memory usage refers to how much random access memory, or RAM, your program needs while running. High memory consumption can slow down your software and even cause it to crash. By understanding what causes memory use to spike, you can take specific steps to reduce it, making your programs faster and more reliable.
Choose efficient data structures.
Select data structures that match your needs. For example, use arrays or linked lists instead of hash maps where possible, as they often use less memory. In some languages, choosing the right collection class can greatly reduce overhead. Only hold the data you need for your program's tasks.
Limit object creation and reuse.
Every time you create a new object, your program uses more memory. Reuse objects when possible instead of creating new ones. For frequently used, simple objects, consider object pools or recycling solutions. Always release objects you no longer need by setting references to null or using proper destructors.
Manage large files and buffers carefully.
When working with large files or data streams, read and process data in small chunks, rather than loading everything into memory at once. Use buffered reading and avoid copying large data blocks unnecessarily. For images and binary files, explore compression or streaming alternatives.
Monitor and test memory usage.
Use built-in tools like profilers and debuggers to monitor your program's memory usage as you develop. Testing with realistic data can reveal memory leaks, places where unused memory is not released. Make it a habit to check for these issues regularly during development.
Adopt good coding practices.
Write clear, maintainable code to make memory management easier. Avoid global variables that persist longer than needed. Clean up resources, close files or network connections, and free up memory whenever objects go out of use. Following these practices helps prevent memory bloat and makes your software more robust.